With the pilasters complete, our next step is going to be mounting the actual mantle shelf. With this portable jig, I can adjust the depth of hole I drill so that we can use these 2.5-inch screws and run a screw into each stud. We've laid out where the studs are, and I'm also going to run a screw out each side so that we'll be attaching to the pilasters on each side. I've already adjusted the stop collar for the 1.5-inch deep. And again, what that does is I'm going to be centering that hole in this 1.5-inch thick mantle shelf that we've got. Okay, that's our side hole. Each time I want to one more hole for the other end. Now we're going to go find a level, put a level mark there so that we can screw this to the wall right under that level mark. We're just starting to ease the mantle shelf in. Just a little bit of time. It's really a snug fit. I wish everything would go together like that well the first time. Are you in, Larry? We want to be just a tiny bit below so those screws can work it up a little bit. Now I'm going to start by, that's right where I want it. I want to put these screws into the side first. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, once we get this mantle shelf in place, we're going to be ready to start stacking those middle panel sections, and we're really going to start to look like something.